Welcome to space. Welcome to space. A vast tapestry of suns and stars, teeming with science and adventure. This is my mission, for I am Rick Pulsar, Galactic Knight of Space Justice. We're finishing our mission on planet Rutar 4. The grateful population turned out to say their goodbyes.
Thank you, Rick Pulsar, for helping us to capture the evil Gorton. Now our people are truly free.
Must you leave, Rick Pulsar?
I'm afraid so. For the galaxy calls. And there's big adventure out there.
Goodbye, thank you for saving us.
Thank you.
All right, Rufus, take us up.
Escaping the planet's atmosphere.
The readings look good. Gear loose? Hey, Mom, how are we doing on those brownies?
They'll be done once we're in hyperspace, dear.
Preparing to initiate hyperspace.
Engage. Well done, crew. Did you hear that?
Is that a bird?
Oh, who let the bird in here?
Shh, there it is.
Hey, where y'all going? Y'all gonna go get high? Fuck each other?
Language!
What are we doing in space?
We're looking for adventure.
Oh, can I come?
I don't know, Rick. What if he's got bird flu?
Well, I ain't got no bird flu. I just went to the clinic, the methadone clinic. You know what's the best part about being a bird and doing meth? I ain't got no teeth to lose.
All right, friend, you can tag along until our next port, but stay out of our way.
Don't worry, I'll be good.
What's that smell?
That's just my UTI. It burns when I urinate. Doctor says I just need to stuff some yogurt in my cooter and wait to die. Hey, any of you smoke weed?
I do.
Rufus.
How about a joint? I got bird glaucoma real bad. And I got diabetes. I got everything you need for smoking weed.
We don't have any
They
weed.
say they're gonna have to take my other foot, and then I'm gonna have to sleep on my little butthole. I'll be rolling around in the bottom of my cage. I don't have a cage. No one owns me. Any of you hungry? I'm selling my eggs.
How much you selling those eggs for?
One egg costs you a nickel bag, but I'll give you a special Friends and Space Cadets discount.
Rufus, how long until our next stop?
4 months, 18 days, and 4 hours.
Any of you got any little wires or twist ties? I'm gonna build me a nest, and I wanna get me a big screen from Rent-A-Center and attract me a mate. And he's gonna buy me some dinner at Red Lobster.
Shut up unless you want to go out of the airlock.
Hey, my foot's getting real tired. Can you put something dark over me so I know it's time to go to sleep?
Where you going, Rufus?
Oh, just to my room. Gotta get something.
Ever heard of what the French call a three-way?
Of course, like stop signs.
You wanna hear my impression of a chicken? Hey.
Hey, where are you going? Come back here, birds. Get away from my robot. Gearloose, my poor robot. What did that bird do to you? Don't worry, Gearloose. I'll replace your eyes. Good thing robots can't feel pain. All right, bird. Vengeance will be mine.
What's that, dear?
Nothing, Mom. Just swearing vengeance on a bird.
Oh, this bird?
Hey!
Aha! I caught you.
It landed on the brownies, so I put my colander on him.
Hey! What is this thing on top of me? I'm inside of some kind of space dome. Who made these? Who made these brownies? They got any weed in them?
Oh, my heavens, no. How would somebody do that?
You like that, bird? This is what happens when you mess with my robot.
Hey, bird, you in here? Oh, hello, Rick. Rick's mom.
What you got there?
This? Oh, it's a baggie full of bird food.
No, it's not. It's a sack of dope.
It is? Well,
Well, I'll take this right to the space toilet.
You're just gonna let her walk off with that weed? You know she's gonna smoke it, right?
Shut up, bird. My mom doesn't do that stuff.
Where I come from, we don't do shit like that.
Come on, Rufus. Let's go train karate in the danger cube.
You guys gotta help me. I ain't been doing so good and I've had a hard life. for more? You take this spaghetti hat off me, I'll mess you up, you old bucket of thingamajiggers. A flamethrower? What's that for? Oh, what are you, Kenny Rogers? Oh, it's bad, it hurts. I'm burning alive. Oh, help me. You gonna eat me now? Well, I hope you like dark meat that's full of worms and bird eggs.
Space.